It's a little bit warm out here. Alright. Let's play What Did Mark Forget This Week? If you're thinking hammock strap again, no, I brought both of them, and I brought a spare. Which is why I forgot to bring a utensil. Fortunately, I had a plastic spoon and a plastic spork in my center console, because I've got like 100 napkins in there. Because every time I go anywhere, I always have extra napkins, so I just shove them in the console. So if I'm driving down the freeway and I suddenly sneeze and I have a blowout, I napkin. And I actually had a nosebleed one time when I was driving too, and I just reached in there and so napkins and plastic silverware. It'll get the job done for the night. Yeah. Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So I'm on a new outing. I'm actually redoing my, if you missed it, I'm redoing my hammock outing because I didn't spend the night. So I came back out to give it another, take another crack at it. And I'm going to be using this stove that my buddy Bushcraft Diddy in Outdoors. I think I'm getting your name wrong again. I'm sorry, brother. So we're gonna get, this is like Flint and stuff, so I don't need it. I actually didn't need to bring it, but I brought it anyway. I actually kind of forgot it was in there. So this is a 3-piece stove, and we're gonna get it together. And I actually haven't even used this thing yet. So got the 3 pieces. I also have to try to remember how to put it together because it's a little complicated. Oh, then it goes like that. So it just goes like this, and then this part drops down, and then this, there, I think that's it. I hope that's it. You got the place you could feed the fuel in, and then these sit right on top, like this. Well, now I want to try to get these on sooner than last time because I ended up burning holes in my gloves. So there you go. I think that's how it goes. So let's get this sucker rip roaring, and then we'll make some lunch. Let's dig lunch out of my food bag from East Hills Packs. This is my branded bear bag, and then I'm just gonna do a simple ramen because I'm not super hungry. It'll give me a few calories to burn off while I process firewood for later tonight. My buddy Backpacking with Buckley sent me a $50 gift card for this, so thank you, Tim. Appreciate that. Don't forget to check out Backpacking with Buckley. He'll be linked in the description because he's a really cool guy. Alright, so I think I got everything together I need. Set those aside. Put that right in the fire pit. Why are people honking? Alrighty. So my buddy Eric gave me these. I think they were supposed to be fat wood, but then they dried out of all their precious. Wow. You know, the fat wood dried up on them. Are you freaking kidding me here? So what I want to do is I just want to break a couple of these down smaller. I mean, they're already pretty small, but I need like pencil sized, like that or smaller, just for the initial burn. And I can, as soon as I started getting it going, I can get them a little bit bigger. Well, I hear a lot of kids and a lot of noise today. It's kind of annoying. Gonna be using this Holtzman survival grip knife a little bit because it needs more dirt time. Oh, yeah, these are nice and dry. I could probably go grab twigs, but I just thought I'd do this. Give me a chance to use the knife a little bit. These are new gloves, by the way. It's like burned up my other ones. I still have them. I just kind of wrecked them a little bit, but that was my fault. Cool. You know, I gotta be honest. People are riding their bikes through my camp, through the edge of my camp. It's really starting to tick me off. I came out here for solitude, not for you and your kids. Anyway, I'm gonna be I got some jute twine here, and I'm just gonna cut off a little piece to get started. The plan for the fire is I've got my, I had to dump it all out. They've got a little bit of char, flint, and a steel. So I don't do flint and steel enough, so I want to do flint and steel. If I can get them all in there, fan them all out like a true professional, which I'm not. And then I got this tool roll that my buddy Mark Kratz MC sent me. Thank you, brother, appreciate that. I actually basically had a full fire kit in here. I'm pretty sure I did a breakdown and went over the contents. It's really not that complicated. It's just all it is: jute, matches, flint, steel, ferro rod, lighter, and then on the inside I've got a knife, and then I've actually got a the fuel and the little things for the thing that keeps bugs away. Excuse me. Let's get all that rolled back up so nothing else goes falling out of it, which actually I didn't even bring today. I didn't bring that thing. I just brought a can of bug spray, but I haven't even applied any bug spray yet, so. Alright, set that aside. Oh, I'm already at 2 minutes. Oh. So let me break this jute down off camera, because I don't think you want to sit here and watch me breaking this all down. So I'll break this down off camera and then I'll bring it back. And wow, just everything wants to fall down today. Alright, I'm hoping I got everything I need and we're gonna be good to go. I got my lichen. Need the view screen so I'm not off screen. I got a lichen jute twine bundle. I don't need a big one because I'm only going to be shoving it in here. So I've got char in here. Like that. And I got my flint. I got a really good breeze going through here, so be curious to see how this works. There we go. guys cannot see that. I gotta move this thing over quick. Sweet. It's one of those times I wish I had both cameras on it, so whoa. Hey, we got some fire. There's some big time fire. Maybe there may have been a little bit more fat wood in there than I thought. Wow. Well, plus that wood was super dry. So, if I get my hand close enough, I'll just do this. As my buddy Dominic Manichetti says, hello there, Mr. Fire. Nonetheless, that's been pretty damn nice, kindling. Get my seasoning packet in there. Make sure to throw that in the trash bag. I can put it someplace. We're already seeing some bubbles. There's one cranking fire, I tell you that. Just added a few more sticks on the side here. Ouch. Seriously? I gotta say, that's a pretty nice stove. I like it. Water's at a rolling boil. See if I can get you. There There you go. Ramen will probably be done. Wow, look at this thing on. Man, look at that thing go. It's not very much fuel either. Damn. I'm gonna go ahead and call it on the noodles because their consistency I'm happy with. Sweet. Guess I didn't need that much fuel. Pretty nice stove though, I like it. I like it a lot. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I was trying to keep the stove in the background. Yes, you know, ramen's always a good standby. Seems like it's burning out already. Good to the last drop. I gotta say, I'm really happy with that little stove. It's pretty nice. Worked great. I mean, may have been this pretty dry. It probably still had some fatwood qualities to it, even though he said it was dry, and you can actually see all the resin like bouncing around at the bottom. Some great kindling though. Not to mention it's bone dry, and it's been like laying in the back of my car for basically all summer, getting baked in the hot heat. Because I actually planned on using it for stoves, but with all the resin in there. Wow, there's a either fire or aid car coming. Hope everyone's okay. Gotta say, pretty happy with this flint and steel set too. You know, this is a little something I just kind of put together. It's an Exotac roll. You know, I mean, it's not overly large, but it's a great way to hold my small flint and steel set plus my other things. So I should throw a spork in there. Because I forgot my silverware. I don't know, that might be when that video will be up, but I forgot to mention in another video that I forgot my utensils.